Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Trejo, and today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for getting your Mexican passport.
Hey there, let's jump right into the explainer on snagging your 2026 Mexican passport step by step. So, planning a trip abroad this year? Well, getting this document sorted is your absolutely top priority, right? Since your government updates cost every year, let's break down exactly what you're paying. For standard adults, it's 1,795 pesos for 3 years, 2,444 up to 4,280 for 10. There's also a 1 year option for 1,795 pesos, but that's exactly for the little ones under 3. Now, here's the best part. Some of you might actually qualify for massive 50% discount who gets half off adults over 60 with enough folks with certified disabilities and agricultural workers in Canada. Okay, fine sorted. Now let's dive into the digital portal and actually get this thing bucket. First up, you'll need to create or log into your Llave MX account for official government service. Just head over to cities.cer.gov.mx. In and announce each scheduled appointment. The platform walks your through a super clear 5-step roadmap and to log into a PAM appointment slot. Step 1. Pick your state and municipality. Then just choose how long you want to passport valid. Crucially, while you're still on step 1, do not care for discount offer and qualify. Step 3. You got to register the folio numbers from your birth certificate and ID. Can find thousands naked numbers. You'll click the little question mark icon for a super handy visual guide. Step 4. Pop in your current home address plus a phone number and emergency contact email. Step 5. Finally, pick your date. Blue means it's heavily while orange and red means spots are basically one. Hit schedule and make your sure the portal update your study with an active status of programmate. Almost there, save your folio, download the payment capture line from your email, and pay the fee. Boom, digital work is done. But with physical documents, do you actually need an appointment day? You actually need proof of nationality like your original birth certificate, a valid ID like your INE, your certified card payment receipt, a marriage certificate if you're writing a spousal surname. Your 2026 your 2026 passport is totally within reach now. The only question left is where will it